In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off file editing in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a useful setting if you want more control over what websites can do with your files, or if you simply want to tighten up your browser privacy and permissions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will take you into Edge's main settings page. On the left side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's privacy features, search options, and security-related tools. Now scroll until you find Site Permissions and click that. Site Permissions is where Microsoft Edge manages what websites are allowed to access, like your camera, microphone, location, pop-ups, and other browser permissions. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions and open it. This area shows the full list of permissions that websites can request. Now scroll through the list until you find File Editing. Once you see it, click the File Editing option. You should now see a toggle switch for this permission. To turn it off, simply switch the File Editing toggle to the off position. When this is disabled, websites will no longer be able to use that permission for file editing through your browser. That's it. The setting has now been turned off in Microsoft Edge. If you ever need to change it back later, you can return to the same menu and switch it on again. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Microsoft Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.